In this video, I will discuss solution to answer 2 from question 3, solution to from homework 3. So in the question, we have been given that x is a uniform distribution in A and B and y is equal to x squared. We have been asked to find out A, probability distribution function and density function for x, and B, density function and probability distribution function for y and expectation of y. And we have been given A is equal to -1 and B is equal to 3. So for part A, so small f of x is equal to 1 upon b minus a for a less than equal to x less than equal to b and 0 otherwise. So the graph for this function will look like this. And to get the probability distribution function graph, we integrate this. So we get f of x is equal to 0 for x less than a. That is this part. Then we get a slope for a to b. So x is for a less than equal to x less than equal to b, which is 1 upon b minus a into 1 upon x minus a. And from b, we get the value 1 for x is greater than b. So next, for f of y is equal to 0 for y less than 0 and y greater than y 9. So f of y is equal to f of x1 upon the absolute value of g prime x1 plus f of x2 upon absolute value of g prime x2. So we know that 1 upon b minus a is 4. So we substitute that value over here and we get f of y as 1 upon 4 upon absolute value of -2 root y plus 1 upon 4 upon 2 root y. So we get these plus and minus root y, and so y is equal to g of x is equal to x square has 2 roots. So we get the answer as 1 upon 4 root y. Then for 1 less than equal to y less than 9, we get f of y is equal to f of x upon g prime of x, the absolute value of g prime x. So this we get as 1 upon 4 upon absolute value of 2 root y. So this we get as 1 upon 8 root y. So from these values, we can find that f of y is 1 upon 4 root y, 1 upon 8 root y, and 0. So it is 1 upon 4 root y in this interval, that is 0 less than equal to y less than 1. Then this for 1 less than equal to y less than 9 and 0 otherwise. Now we find f of y, and so this we get as 0, then 1 upon 2 root y, 1 upon 4 root y plus 1 and 1 for y less than 0, 0 less than equal to y less than 1, then for 1 less than equal to y less than 9 and for 9 less than equal to y respectively. So the graphs for these functions have been shown below. So f of y is 1 upon 4 root y into uy minus uy minus 1 plus 1 upon 8 root y uy minus 1 minus uy minus 9. So this we get, so then f of y is 1 upon 2 root y u of y minus uy minus 1 plus 1 upon 4 root y plus 1 into u into y minus 1 minus u y minus 9. So this we get, so this is what we get for f of y. So the expectation of y is equal to 1 upon 4 integral 0 to 1 y into 1 upon root y dy plus 1 upon 8 integral 1 to 9 y 1 upon root y dy. So this we get as, after working this out, we get the answer as 7/3. And we can see the graphs for f of x then y is equal to x squared, f of y and f of y over here. Thank you.